Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G15, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. To get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application, navigate to Organize, and select Fix or Manage and Fix, I believe. Let me just quickly make sure. Or Manage SIM, actually. Yeah. So make sure you select Manage SIM instead. And in here, you can see we have all our contacts visible. There's also this drop-down menu where it says Save To. If you are logged into a Google account, you will see this. If you're not, you actually will not see this area at all, as the only other option for import would be the device, so it just removes the option. If you only have one, that's not really an option. But in any case, you can choose where you want to import contacts. Now you can also see that on my end, these are grayed out and deselected. That's because all these contacts actually exist on the Google account. But if I were to change this, you can see they all become selected now. And I can also deselect ones that I don't want. From there, we can click on import. This will import all selected contacts. And when we go back to our contacts list, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location, which you can do so by clicking where it says all contacts and choosing, for instance, Google account or device or all contacts, depending on which one you want to utilize. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.